Hello everyone, welcome to Oils with Lynn. Today I thought I would do something just a little bit different, and I'm gonna just show you, I've been asked this questions like what essential oils and how often do you use essential oils, or which products do you use every day. So I thought I would just show you, it's halfway through the day, it's midday, and what essential oils, which products that I've been using already today. So you're gonna have to just don't judge me for maybe how many pillows I use on my bed or whatever I use. So I'm gonna just rub around the house. So usually in the nighttime, I use essential oils. These little guys I keep right next to my bed, and I love the Serenity Stick. Not because I use it right before I go to bed, but I wake up in the middle of the night and can't go back to sleep. That's when I grab the Serenity Stick, and I'll roll it over my shoulders and down my legs, and sometimes on the inside of my arms. And I also have a Serenity roller. I love to put that one right on the back of my neck. And vetiver on the bottom of my feet, vetiver and Serenity. Those help me go right back to sleep really fast. And then this balance, sometimes I just don't breathe really well in the night. And so I have that balance there because sometimes I start to get headaches. I think it's because I don't have good oxygen. So I use the balance in the middle of the night as well. So those are some products that I have to have right by my bed that I've already used in the night. And then today I've had a shower, and so I've used my shampoo and conditioner, and I've used my facial cleanser, and I think that's all I used today. I didn't use those other products. Oh, my bathtub, I didn't do this today, but over the weekend, do you guys see that? That adaptive bath. Oh, I love that in my bathtub. Okay, and then first thing in the morning, I'm gonna be using my bone nutrient and my phytoestrogen, and this is a soft gel of MetaPWR, and then the EOmegas. So that's first thing in the morning. I usually come back midday and I get these two as well. And then I brush my teeth, On Guard toothpaste, and I use the On Guard mouthwash. That works so good. If you ever have any oral health problems, that is so awesome. Yesterday I used the revitalizing eye mask. It was still sitting out here. I just found out that you can reuse these, and so I was like, I used it and I kind of stuck it back in its package. And then when I got out of the shower, I love this Barrage toner. You just spritz it on. It's just this really fine mist, and then you're toned just that fast. I spritz that over my face and then I'm toned. Hydrating cream. I'm almost out of my hydrating cream. I gotta mix up some more hydrating cream, but I love to use this every night and a lot of mornings. I use it most mornings unless I'm gonna be out in the sun a lot, and then I switch it for the doTERRA face. I love this product because it works so great. It's 28 SPF at keeping the sun off. This is probably the #1 thing that we can do for anti-aging, is have that SPF. And I know that when I'm using this product, I'm just putting good things on my face. And so if I'm gonna be outside very much, I'm gonna switch that out. And then I'm always using this right before I go to bed, and in the morning, the anti-aging eye cream around the eyes. And yes, I've used the tightening serum today. I love that. And then I've used my deodorant. Of course, I love this deodorant. It's all natural and it works great. Then what else have I used in here? Oh, this is my secret cabinet in here. This is where I keep all of my essential oils. And so before I started the video, that I'm gonna use Balance. I keep coming back to Balance. I use that one a lot. And these two, as I got out of the shower, I've kind of ruined my beautiful label, but because of the oil, but this is my Melt Away, the Cellulite Melt Away. I love using this every time I get out of the bath or shower. And it's coconut oil mixed with MetaPWR. I mix it with MetaPWR oil and grapefruit, and man, it just smooths out that cellulite. Love that one. Okay, and then there's one other thing that I've done today. Since I went and I worked out, and while I was working out, then I had my water bottle, and in my water bottle, then I had MetaPWR Recharge, the MetaPWR Recharge. So that's the one that gives me all those good electrolytes, and I love that it helps me with the energy while I'm working out as well. And then before I leave the house every single morning, I'm mixing these two and I love them together. So it's the VMG. This is probably my #1 product that I am really enjoying right now in doTERRA is VMG. So it gives me all the vitamins, minerals, nutrients, whole food ones I know that I'm absorbing in my body and using, and it helps me so great. The next one is the MetaPWR Advantage. I mix those two together. The Advantage is the collagen, and it helps in a lot of different ways. It's not just collagen for your skin, it's collagen for all parts of your body. Bone, and it helps with ligaments, joints, all great things that I want to keep strong, right? Okay, and then there's one more thing. This is what I have most days, almost every single day. I have this for my breakfast, and that is the protein. And I throw this PB organic in there. It's just some powder because it's way less, like, what does it say, 87% less fat than if you use peanut butter. And I try really hard in my morning drink to get about over 40 grams of protein. And so that's part of what I throw into a smoothie, mix it with milk, and I'm getting more than 40 grams because my goal is to try, man, I'm trying to get 100 grams of protein every single day. So anyway, that is just halfway through my day, some of the things that I've done today to use some of my doTERRA and find ways that I can do natural, healthy things that I know are good for my body and good for my skin and good for my mood as well. Oh, I forgot to tell you, yesterday my daughter was she made this Fiesta chicken, and so the Fiesta chicken was really, I mean, just onions. It smelled at my whole house, really strong smells, and so I've been diffusing, and now it's fresh and clean in here as well. So, thanks you guys for joining me. Hope you enjoyed my little tour around my house, and I hope this gives you a few ideas just about how a natural lifestyle could be simple, just a few things that we do throughout our day that if we switched them up, instead of using some of those other things that might have toxins or chemicals, that we can use them in our own household and help ourselves be a little bit more healthy. Okay, thanks for joining me. See ya.